Hi children, today I am going to explain third chapter additions. Already we know that how to add double digit numbers and single digit numbers. In this class we are learning how to add triple digit and four digit numbers. Okay, now add 24 and 36. 24 plus 36. How we add these two numbers? Put these two numbers in a column. Take tens place and ones place. In tens place, here 24 is there. How many tens in 24? 2 tens. So write 2 in tens place. And how many ones in units place? 4 ones are there. So write 4 in ones place. In 36, how many tens are there? 3 tens are there. Write 3 in tens place. And how many ones are there? 6 ones are there. Write 6 in ones place. Add these two. Put plus symbol for addition. Okay. First add ones. Here 4 ones are there and 6 ones are there. If we add 4 ones and 6 ones, take 4 fingers. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10. We got 10 ones. If we write 10 in this place, this is wrong. This is wrong. In 10, here we got 10 ones. In 10 ones, there is 1 10 and 0 ones. So, write 1 carry forward to tens place and 0 ones in units place. Take 0 in units place and carry forward these 1 to tens place. Now add the numbers in tens place. Add 1 plus 2. Take 2 fingers. 1 after 2, 3. 3 keep it in the mind and take 3 fingers. 3 after 4, 5, 6. We got 60. In 60, how many tens are there? 6 tens. And how many ones? 0 ones are there. Okay, like this we can do with, these are the additions with grouping. With grouping. Grouping means if we got more than 9 ones, take the another one to tens place, like this. Now children, open your course book, page number 22. Here I connect part is there. In I connect part, we have a story there. Story means Priya and her mother visited a zoo. There were 56 zebras and 75 giraffes and 28 lions in the zoo. Priya's mother asked her to find the total number of animals. వాళ్ళు జూకి వెళ్ళొచ్చిన తర్వాత వాళ్ళ మమ్మీ అడిగింది, how many animals you find in the zoo? How many zebras are there? 56 zebras. And how many giraffes are there? 75 giraffes. And how many lions are there? 28 lions. Her mother asked her, how many animals you see in the zoo? That means add all these numbers. 28 lions. How many zebras are there? 56. 56 means how many tens in 56? 5 tens. How many ones are there? 6 ones. Coming to giraffes, how many giraffes are there? 75 giraffes. That means how many tens are there? 7 tens and 5 ones. Coming for lions, how many lions are there? 28. 28 means 2 tens and 8 ones. These are tens and these are ones. Now add all these. First add all the ones place. That means 6 plus 5 plus 8. 6 plus 5, take 5 fingers. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 keep it in the mind and take 8 fingers. 11 after 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 19 we got. In 19, how many tens are there? 1 10 and 9 ones are there. So, write this tens to tens place as carry forward and write 9 here. At the tens place. At the tens place means 1 plus 5. We know that 6. 6 plus 7. Take 7 fingers. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 keep in the mind and take 2 fingers. 13 after 14, 15. Totally how many animals are there? 159 animals. In 159, do you know how many hundreds are there? We already know the expanded forms. In 159, how many hundreds are there? 100. How many tens are there? 5 tens. How many ones are there? 9 ones. 159. 100, 5 tens, 9 ones. Like this we are doing some more additions. 53 plus 29. 53 plus 29. Here tens place and ones place. In 53, how many tens are there? 5 tens. In 53, how many ones? 3 ones. In 29, how many tens? 2 tens and 9 ones. Coming to addition, first add ones place. 3 plus 9. Take 3 fingers. 9 after 10, 11, 12. Write 12 here. In 12, how many tens are there? 1 10 and 2 ones. That's why write 2 in units place. And carry forward this 1 to tens place. Now add tens place. 1 plus 5. That is 6 we know. 6 plus 2. Take 2 fingers. 6 after 7, 8. Write 8 in tens column. Our answer is 82. In 82, how many tens? 8 tens and 2 ones. Okay, is it clear? Go for next one. How to add 15 and 69. 15 and 69. This is tens place and this is ones place. Okay, this is addition. So put plus symbol here. Okay, now add ones column. Ones column means in ones column how many ones are there? 5 ones. And here 9 ones. Add 5 ones and 9 ones. Take 5 fingers. 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We got 14 here. In 14, 1 10 is there and 4 ones are there. So write 4 in ones column and carry forward this 1 to tens place. So 1 plus 1, 2 plus 6. Take 6 fingers. 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Write 8 in tens place. Our answer is 84. In 84, 8 tens are there, 4 ones are there. Okay? Like this, do the remaining 2 sums in your course book.